I'm Hantu from MIT. I just graduated from master degree of Design Computation and Computer Science at MIT, and I'm under Professor Takehiko. We have a huge heritage in Turkey, more than America. So we traveled from one caravansaray to the other, and we scanned about every day. Your previous work from Turkish students and Turkish team is very helpful for us to get the initial idea of this context. So we will check what's the missing part of the previous work, and then we can add more refined photos to the models. Caravansaray recorded in digital form is it's a large group of work, and we need to collaborate together. Some of us will take photos from the eye level, some of us will fly the drone, and others will organize all the things to get permission to take the photos and also introduce the Turkish culture to us. It's also very important. So it's a very huge work. We need to work together. Yeah. I'm responsible for the drone flying. So because drone can fly higher than the hand camera, so we can have different levels of photos to record the heritage, and the recorded digital photos of the heritage can then form a 3D photos in our computer using the metashape, and then we can represent these photos via any kind of end products. For example, VR, AR, or website. You can view these kind of heritage, very treasured Turkish things in the any end of far away from Turkey. Yes.